So today we've got Horseshoe Bend, Antelope Canyon. We're going to do some cool like open back truck, like safari sort of thing. Should be good fun. That was cool. That was worth the money on his own. Antelope Canyon and Horseshoe Bend was cracking. Nice.
Why is this with me now?
Oh, what are you eating?
Yeah.
We've really been craving some fruit, so spotted this in Walmart. It's great. Nice big watermelon for $3.47. Need to find a way to cut it though. You having fun there? What do you reckon?
Use a plastic knife.
Where are we going to do it to though? It's a bit messy in here, I will admit. Should I do it in the sink? I'll clean it first.
Oh wow.
One bit.
How have you cut it like that?
Good morning, friends. We are Grand Canyoning it today. We actually came here yesterday on our way down from Page. We've been invited to be on a study for monitoring your activities and stuff whilst you're in the thing. I hope it's not a trap. Yeah, we came down yesterday, drove through from Page right the way through the national park, which was cool. We're staying in Williams. Stayed last night. Williams, yeah, we've seen a cowboy shootout last night. Like a staged one, obviously. What was I going to say? Williams is actually the last town to be bypassed by the I-40 interstate on Route 66. That's quite cool. What are we doing today? Where are we going? So are we going on a hike or not? Not really dressed for it.
Not too much of a hike.
I'm gonna let the coffee kick in.
Because we're going on a helicopter when we get to Vegas. Joe's dad talked him into it. I've been asking him for years now to come on it. First of all, in 2020 we had it booked, and then when everything didn't go to plan, then Joe's been adamant that he's not going. And then when we spoke to his dad on his phone, he's like, "You haven't really seen the Grand Canyon though, have you? You just see it from the edge."
Lee from Somerset, who hasn't ever been to the United States. Oh yeah, we haven't seen the Grand Canyon.
So we're
going on a helicopter.
Yay!
Just super unsafe
Thanks,
compared to an
Lee.
aeroplane.
Joe, I don't want to hear it. Come on.
Most crashes caused by pilot error, so I'll be looking at our pilot's CV before we take off.
Joe, positivity. Right, come on, let's visit the centre.
I set a coffee kick and then we're gonna go. We're not gonna hike, are we?
Not too much. I went on a run yesterday. Have you got your little
tracker?
So we're about to do the Bright Angel Trail, which is the mediocre one. It's a mile and a half down to I'm not sure what, and then back. I want to go to the bottom, but it's 10 miles each way. Got beers and water, essentials.
Now, I don't particularly find it interesting to watch other people go on a hike, and I don't expect you guys to either, so we brought along some snacks which we might review for you. Danny picked out some chewing beef jerky in a little tin.
And I finally
meat sticks.
I finally bought my Ben & Jerry's cookie dough, just like the actual cookie dough, but that's in the car. It's meant to be in the freezer, but
they're already defrosted. I just looked down there. Jesus. Oh my god.
wow.
Gosh, you can smell the mules, that's what they say. Gosh, fresh. They just walked straight past us. Paper bag broke, so that means we must have our beers.
I feel like we should have waited till we on our way back up.
For the content, hikes are always better after a 7% IPA. Said hikes are always better after a 7% IPA. Hello, you got anything for him? Aren't you? You're very tame.
Oh no, don't, I'm scared. Can I touch you? Do you think you'll bite me?
He might do.
Joe just said we made it to the bottom, but we haven't. We've made it to the bit we were going to go to.
Only 1.5 miles down out of 10, 9.5. We got jerky chew on the menu today.
How many Joes does it take to get into it?
I'm glad we're not an emergency and starving. Oh, just score it with your nail. Or would you just twist it? Oh, it's tobacco. Is it tobacco?
That can't be tobacco. It's in the jerky section.
Smells like beef.
I don't like that.
Salty. Various meat sticks. Next up is your main. Tabasco seasoned. 6 grams of protein Slim Jim. Smoked snack stick, a jalapeno beef and pork raised with no antibiotics, no added hormones.
Oh.
It's vegetarian fed pork. What does that mean?
All of pork's vegetarian.
Should be.
Shouldn't it? What about your cheese?
Beef stick and cheese.
Yeah.
Free.
That looks gross.
That's actually really nice. One bit. Is a cheese string? No.
It's very melted.
One bit.
No, I don't want any of that.
Come on.
I literally don't want any of that.
It's for dessert.
Pecan goji pistachio. It's gonna be like a raw bar.
Better than that. Two minutes past 4. Basically an hour, on the hour. Nice. Ooh, nice work. What's the time?
Yeah, it smells like chlorine.
Yeah, what's the time?
What's the time? 2 minutes past.
4.
4.
It's an hour.
Oh.
So it was at this point that we decided to stop filming, ready for our wedding in Vegas, and then after that we sort of decided basically just to enjoy the rest of the trip as a honeymoon. As you can see, we're back safe on the boat, or I am at least. Danny was straight back out to work, bless her. We'll go over the rest of our travels in more detail next week's video. We had a wicked time, but really glad to be home now. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's actually stuck with us through these travel videos. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but yeah, really appreciate it. We'll see you next week.